Hey everyone, welcome back to Goettl Homeowner Tips. I'm Eric Goettl, and we're here covering a crucial topic, the role of your HVAC system in indoor air quality. Let's get started. Your HVAC system plays a pivotal role in maintaining your indoor air quality. It's responsible for circulating, filtering, conditioning the air in your home, making it vital for your comfort and health. One of the main ways HVAC systems impact indoor air quality is through air filtration. Air filters capture dust, pollen, pet dander, and other particles, preventing them from circulating in your home. HVAC systems also help control indoor humidity levels. Maintaining optimal humidity prevents microbial growth and makes your indoor environment more comfortable. Schedule professional inspections and maintenance to keep your system running effectively and efficiently. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. Remember, your HVAC system is your ally in maintaining your indoor air quality and healthy living environment. If you have any questions or need HVAC maintenance, don't hesitate. Contact Goettl. We're here just a call or a click away.